Hi, and welcome to this mobility flow for shoulders, neck, and upper back. We're going to begin this flow by coming onto the hands and the knees and doing some cat-cow and focusing on the breath. Now, as you move through these movements, I want you to stay relaxed, not try to force it. So let's come onto the hands and the knees. From here, with your toes curled under, shift your hips back slightly so we can bring more focus into the upper back and shoulders. As you tuck your butt, round through your spine, spread through your shoulders, and draw your collarbones in and down towards your hips. As you inhale, go the other way. Lift through your navel, reach your heart forward, let the collarbones open. As you exhale, slow down your breath. Send all the air out. And see if the breath can help you to relax deeper into the shape. As you inhale, go the other way. And as you exhale, good. Now come into neutral. As you reach down through your left arm, reach your right elbow back, then straighten the arm and turn your palm to face up. Reach down through your left shoulder and hand as you reach with the right. Come back to starting position. Let's do that 2 more times. Last one. Bring your hand down, change sides. Good, bring your hand down. Now rock your hips back and come into a squat with a reach. Set the knees down, lift your heart, inhale. Exhale, squat and reach. Inhale. And exhale. Good, then from here you could stand on the knees. If the knees are sensitive at all, then you're going to lift the hips and roll up to stand on your feet. But otherwise from your knees, we're going to do a little bit to warm up the shoulders and chest. So bring your arms into a cactus position. Then squeeze your forearms together. Press your elbows forward and up. Then relax that. Turn your palms to face forward as you reach the arms back behind you. Press back, keeping your pelvis under you. Then turn the palms the other way and again press back. Take your arms forward, reach the forearms together, press forward and up. Relax, open up the arms, open the chest. Let's go through that again 2 more times. Squeeze in, press forward and up. Reach back. Turn the other way. Press forward and up. Open up. Squeeze in. Press forward and up. Reach back. Turn palms. Reach back again. Good. Bring your arms down. Now take your arms out to the side. And we're just going to rotate the arm in the socket, turning as much as you can into external rotation, so your thumbs turn to point back, and then as much as you can into internal rotation. Rotate as much as you can without the rib cage moving. Keep your ribs pointing down towards your hips. Again, if the knees are sensitive at all, stand on your knees or sit on a chair for this part. Stand on your feet. Take your arms out in front of you. Reach your shoulder blades forward and pull them back. forward. 2 more times. Then come to neutral and bring the shoulder blades up by the ears and down 3 times. And just notice if you feel you have one sticky shoulder blade, one more sticky, one crunchy shoulder blade. Just be aware of that. The more we practice, move towards balance and bring the arms down at your side and make shoulder blade circles now 3 times, going forward, up, back, and down. And then change the direction. Good. Now come on to your belly, and we're going to do a little bit of reaching and pulling back to help to wake up the back of the shoulder. So from this prone position here, I want you to first hollow out through your belly. So do a little butt tuck and tuck your ribs down towards your hips. Then from here, as you reach through the hands into a Y position, keeping the inner arm moving into the socket. Now pull the elbows back into like a cactus or goalpost position and press the arms up into external rotation so you're lifting the wrist and forearm away from the floor. And then stretch forward. Now if your shoulder mobility is really good, you might be able to keep the hollow body and keep the hands off the ground. But if you're tighter in your armpits and your lats, you can keep the hands down. Let's do this 5 times. 1, 2, squeeze, lift. 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Now stretch the arms out into a T position. Stretch and reach. And lift and lower 5 times. Now take the arms into cactus position. Keeping the left elbow in cactus. Roll your left cheek towards the ground as you turn your hips open. If you're less flexible, you'll just do a little twist. If you're more flexible, you might be able to roll and take the leg all the way back behind you to open up the chest to the side. So we're just going to roll 3 times here. 1, 2, 3, and hold for 5, 4. Good, release and change sides. The first one is just to get the movement. Okay, and then we'll go 3 times. Nice. Come up on the hands and knees. Either stand, squat, or come to tall kneeling for this. Bring your hands onto your lower back, knuckles together. Let your elbows go forward. Then reach the elbows back. Feel the stretch there. Now reach the hands off the lower back and straight back behind you. Externally rotate, turn the upper arm in the socket. Lift up halfway. Then internally rotate as you take the arms back down and onto your lower back. Elbows forward 3 times. Back, reach, rotate, lift up halfway. Internally rotate as you reach back. Nice job. Now, I highly recommend that you go through this whole sequence at least one more time, maybe 2 more times. What you're gonna notice that each repetition that you do, you're gonna feel the shoulders, the upper back, the neck, everything is gonna feel like it moves so much better. So let me know after you go through it at least 1 more time, hopefully 2 more times, by rewinding the video back to the beginning, if you can feel a huge difference after. Thanks so much for joining me. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this class. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also, if you want to fast track your mobility, I'm going to put a link to the Conscious Movement Community Mobility course. This is my membership site where you can follow a course to help you progress and get that whole body moving the way that it should be moving. The link will be in the description as well as the first comment, and I'll see you next time. Hope you have a great day.